Okay, welcome. So after you must have finished signing up, the next thing you're going to do is to when your account has been approved and all of that. So you next thing you're going to do is to log in. So you just log in using the username and the password you created when you were signing up. Okay, so you're in now. So once you've logged in, the next step is to go to settings down the menu. This is called the main menu. It's called the main menu. So you go down the menu and click on school settings. Click on settings. Yeah, school settings. Click on settings, then school settings. Settings. Let me show you again. Settings, then school settings, and you'll be here. So this is where you now enter your school details. So forget about this branch name here. Just enter your school name here. Then also enter your school name here. Then your school email address, your school mobile or your school phone number, the city where your school is, the state where your school is, then the address, the full address. Then you select your language, your time zone. So many time zones here. Then weekends. When does a weekend fall? When is your weekend? Is it Sunday, Saturday, whenever? So you select them. Then you select unique role, class wise. Is it class wise? Do you want the unique role to be based on class or to be based on section, or should be you don't want it at all? You want to disable it. Then here you have the currency. You have the teacher. Then you have the currency. Then you have the currency symbol, the currency format, the symbol position, as the currency symbol's position. Then you have here, let me do some explanation here, registration number prefix. So enable student admission registration number prefix auto. Do you want it? What it means here, we're trying to say here is, do you want to generate your student registration number automatically? If you want to generate them automatically, you enable this by checking this box. You enable it. Then the institution code or prefix. So this could be acronyms of your school name, the acronym of your school name. So I decided to call this Edu Academy. So I just use EDA as the acronym, then dash. Then registration number start from, you want it to start from 1 or you want to start from 10 or 20, whatever, you enter it here. Then registration number digit, that is how many digits do you want in your student registration number. So you select from here that one, two, we have 1 to 10. So you select. Then offline payment, do you want to give parents or guardians the opportunity to pay offline, maybe pay by cash, bank transfer, whatever, you know. Then so let's leave this. We'll talk about this later. Then automatically generate login details. Do you want to automatically generate login details for students? Then you enter the username preface. I enter student. You can call it anything. It's just something, a username and password, and a default password that they can use. The student can use to log in. Then when they log in, uh, they can change the username and password to suit their need. Then automatically generate guardian login details. Do you want to automatically generate login detail for the guardians? So use username preface for the guardian. I use guardian. Then default password 128. Then here you enter. This is where you enter your school logo, all of your school logo. And please, before we move further, let me quickly make us understand that your school logo should be a PNG file. Should be a PNG file. Like you can see, is a PNG file, and PNG file without background. PNG file without background, very important. So you just click on this, then you go to where you have your logo, either on your system, on your phone, and select it. Have it somewhere here on the desktop. You can select, you can double click, open. So it's either you select, then you click on open, or you double click and it will appear. Then you click save. So the configuration has been updated. So that is the first step you're meant to take. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.